Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Cipriani. This here is a tomato sauce with basil. Here's the ingredients. It is made in Canada. There you go. Here's the ingredients right there. Alright, and then I'm going to be cooking it with this tofu shirataki noodle. If you look at the ingredients, you can take a look right there. They're basically soybeans, cognac flour, and this is really high in fiber. Check that out. So, and then I'll cook it up and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. So here's the sauce and the noodles all done. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test for you guys. The noodles are very bouncy. It's a nice crispy, like a crunchy texture. It's good. And then the sauce is like a nice tomato bolognese type of sauce. So definitely check out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe channel.